Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to add and synchronize audio with your video in your editing project. Whether you are creating a film, vlog, or any video content, audio plays a crucial role in enhancing your viewers' experience. Let's dive in. To get started, let's import a different video for a change. Import either by dragging from File browser pane or by clicking on Add and then clicking on Movie option. Once the video is imported on Timeline pane, delete audio strip by clicking on it and pressing X. Some videos do not have an audio attachment to it. In that case, you will have only the video strip. We are doing this so that we can add a different audio to this video. Just a small tip. Whenever you want to add a different audio to any other video, it's a good practice to choose an audio track that goes well with the emotion and character of the video content, although this is subjective and totally a personal choice. Now again go to Add option, click on Sounds to add an audio sample of your choice from your respective file location. Position the audio strip on another channel so that the front end of the audio strip aligns perfectly with the front end of the video strip. Now that you have added the audio, it's time to see how it fits with your video. Press the play button to listen to your creation and make sure everything sounds as you intended. Sometimes, you may need to adjust the length of the audio to match your video. To do this, keep both the video strip and the inserted audio strip of equal length. Here is how. Move the sequencer cursor to the point where you want the audio to end. Then, select the audio strip, go to the strip option at the top, and choose Split. This will create a cut in the audio strip. Now, you'll want to delete the later part of the audio for which there is no corresponding video. Select the unwanted portion of the audio strip and press the X button on your keyboard to delete it. Congratulations! There you have it. You have successfully added audio to your video project and ensured that it's perfectly synchronized. This step is essential for creating a polished and professional video.